What is going on, guys? It is your boy Crypto Millionaire here, and I am back. And we got a new segment going on, and we're going to cover quite a few things today. And I hope you guys are prepared. So in the meantime, before we start this video, grab yourself some Chronic, grab yourself some coffee, and let's get ready to talk some crypto. Let's go. Alright, first what we're going to do here is take a look at the market cap. Currently sitting at 198 billion, $91,346,607, and everything fairly looks fairly good in the green. Bitcoin's right around the 6,300 mark, looking good. And as you scroll down, everything's looking fairly good. Dogecoin's still holding strong. As you guys know, it went on quite a run recently. But let's get to the news that we're going to cover in this episode here. First and foremost, Bibox. Now, Bibox officially debuts Gemini's GUSD to the market. Now, I'm just going to read what this says here. In just under a week, the Winklevoss twins cryptocurrency platform Gemini has been listed for trade on Bibox, officially launching the GUSD market. The regulated stablecoin built on Ethereum's network became available on September 14th of this year. Now, a day after announcing their US dollar-backed stablecoin, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss declared Bibox as the official exchange for listing GUSD. Chinese crypto giant Bibox is an artificially intelligence entity that provides encrypted digital asset exchanges. The swift nature of the offering is a key indicator of Bibox's confidence in the Gemini network and a complement to both its security and user-friendly interface. It was only August when Bibox was approved for its Swiss VQF license, developed its blockchain laboratory Bibox Lab, and began hosting clientele across 10 countries. While headquartered in New York and Hong Kong, Bibox is available in the US, Canada, Singapore, South Korea, Switzerland, and Estonia, and currently boasts a top 10 global ranking. Additionally, 3 weeks ago, the trillion-dollar crypto exchange Huobi entered Hong Kong's market and then partnered with Bibox to establish a new exchange pattern. Gemini's decision to transact on Bibox could be its leading edge against growing competition amongst regulated trust companies. When the partnership was announced September 11th, another stablecoin, Paxos, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with, was preparing its own premiere in the ever multifaceted industry. Approximately 16 capitals have joined Bibox Lab, according to Bibox co-founder Aries Wang. I hope I didn't get that wrong. Should the two mutually exclusive exchanges continue to build a secure, transparent platform for digital assets trading, competition is likely to ensue, but to the benefit of forward-thinking momentum. So this is great, guys. I'm really looking forward to this coin to see what's going on, see how it works out for them. And if you guys aren't familiar with Bibox, this is their website right here. It's an exchange, of course, and you can trade just like on any other exchange, Binance, Bittrex, so on and so forth. So if you guys want to take a look at that, I'll have a link up there. I'll have a link in the bottom here on my channel, so you guys can take a look. Now, moving forward, this was interesting to me. SEC Commissioner says regulators need to hop out of their helicopters. And it reads, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Commissioner Hester Pierce, she's also known in the space as the crypto mom. She's very for crypto. Is back in the cryptoverse with a new statement. And she said this on Twitter: regulators need to hop out of the helicopters onto the free range. Recently, Hester Pierce spoke about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulation during the Cato Institute's FinTech Unbound conference. Before speaking on the topics, the commissioner said that her opinions belong only to her and it does not represent the opinions of her colleagues or the commission. This was continued by the commissioner speaking about her being referred to as the crypto mom in the space because of the statement she released after the rejection of the Winklevoss ETF, which I posted on my Instagram account, by the SEC. In the statement, Hester strongly disagrees with the Commission's decision to reject the ETF and said that the proposed rule change did meet the requirements of the Exchange Act, the basis on which the ETF was rejected. So what's going on there, I don't know, but this is very interesting. Hester later stated, "I always have wanted to be a mother, so acquiring the new title was quite an honor. Admittedly, this is not the form of motherhood I envisioned, but one of the wonderful aspects of motherhood is that children are quite different than their mothers anticipated they would be." The commissioner further added that she would prefer being a free-range mother instead of a helicopter mother who hovers over her children in order to make sure the child succeeds. According to her, a free-range mother motivates her child to explore with limited supervision, which involves a certain level of risk. She said that some achievements are possible only if one takes up the risk associated with it. Hester continues to say that this is often the problem with the regulatory bodies as well. She explained that the regulatory bodies became the helicopter parents because of the downside risk associated with allowing investors to invest in risky trading. Now, of course, traders all know, no risk, no reward. Now, if the investors end up incurring a loss, the regulatory bodies will be held responsible. This, in turn, leads to them being criticized for allowing the investors to take part in the risky market in the first place. She further added that it baffles her that the SEC fails to understand that the security markets have a degree of risk associated with it and that the capital market is all about the risk. Hester again said, as the world becomes increasingly integrated, asset classes that were once uncorrelated grow more correlated. This shift continues an appetite for new asset classes that can help to diversify portfolios. Now, cryptocurrencies may be one such asset class. Now, the commissioner recommends that the investors are required to exercise care and judgment when it comes to choosing to invest in cryptocurrency and the process of investing in the same. According to her, cryptocurrency investment is for the segment of investors who understand the technical know-how along with the record-keeping headaches. She further added that innovators in the cryptocurrency space are trying to meet up to the interest of the investors. However, the SEC does not share the same enthusiasm as the innovators do and have stopped several products from entering the space. Hurry up, guys. Now, she further added, to shift my metaphor a bit, the SEC helicopter in with good intentions, but often without sufficient concern for the way regulatory blades roll the markets, frustrate innovation, and potentially expose investors to greater risk. Hester goes on saying, she believes that the cryptocurrency community consists of people who are ready to speak up, criticize each other, and open up about the technological and corporate governance, along with other weaknesses in cryptocurrencies. She continues to say that even if this is not a formal regulation, it is important to figure out the problems in the space. I agree. She affirms that the SEC should not demand the cryptocurrency market to be subject to comprehensive government regulations as a prerequisite for products which belong to the market to enter the markets which are regulated by the SEC. Now, I'm with her. I am with the crypto mom. I do believe we need to get everything regulated so, venture capitalists and big money can come in because they need to show trails of where everything is going, their investments. They can't just go in like a person like myself and go into Binance and get 10 Bitcoin and trade. Everything needs to be recorded. So for that, those regulations need to be put in place in order for the bigger money to come in. And once we see that happen, we are going to see a big, massive growth in this crypto world. Now, moving on, I want to go over in each video just a coin at the end to go over the strengths, the weaknesses. That way you have an understanding, you know, of what the project is, because you don't want to invest into a project, of course, that is just crap. So I'm just going to go over Dogecoin first for this first video, because it recently went on 100+% run, currently at around, I think it's 95. It's at 91, but it had a high of 110, excuse me. So let's just cover the strengths really quick here. As of right now, 70 out of 70 is the ability to contact the company via Slack, Telegram, or Discord, which is very strong, of course. Now they get 30 points for the ability to contact the company via email out of 30, which is great. The activity that they have on social media, 0 points on blog out of 50, 0 points on Facebook, 0 on Twitter. So they have very little media presence at all. Now, team strength is at 63%, and that includes, is there a link to the Team Foundation page? Yes, there is, of course. Are Team Foundation members nominally listed on the page? Yes, 20 out of 20. Do they have links to their LinkedIn, GitHub profiles? No, so 0 out of 20. Is there a tech lead for the project? Yes, there is, 20 points. The team size compared to other coins, 3 points out of 20. They are a very small team. Now, advisory board strength is 0. They don't have one. And brand awareness, as of right now, is 90 points out of 100. And product strength is 88%, which is good product strength. So product development status, 50 points out of 50. Have they open sourced their code? 10 points out of 10. Have they published a product roadmap? 10 out of 10. Is their product roadmap up to date? It is, 10 out of 10. Product age, it is one of the older coins, Dogecoin, 8 out of 10. And have they published a white paper? No, still to this day, Dogecoin has not published a white paper. Now the coin strength is at 74%. Transactions per second compared to others, 1 out of 8. They do have fairly quick transactions, but they're, of course, currently faster transactions with other coins. Now, what is their coin emission rate? Is the coin inflation under control? 15 out of 30. It's not bad. It's not great. Now, is the coin among the top traded coins for the past 3 months in terms of transactions? 16 out of 17. Like I said, they did go on this recent run. They were at around 40 this beginning of this month. Now they're at 95, but they did hit a high of 110. Now, is the coin among the top rated coins for the past 3 months in terms of market capitalization? 24 out of 25. They are the ranked number 20 right now. And has the coin outperformed the rest of the market trends since it started trading? 18 out of 20. So they performed pretty well, knowing that this coin did start off as a joke. If you check out my previous videos from last year, I did do a video on Dogecoin saying that it was just a joke, but take it very seriously. So, I mean, there are some exchanges like Yobit, for example, that you can, there is a Doge pair, so you can buy Bitcoin with Doge, so on and so forth. Now, GitHub, 50%. GitHub community size compared to others, 40 points out of 40. And the GitHub activity tempo, 10 points out of 60. So, not that good. Now, let's just check out some predictions. Dogecoin price prediction based on worldwide money flows. Okay, as of right now, it's sitting at 0.0037. Now, this basically gives you 3 different predictions here depending on the types of monies that are involved, whether it's just, you know, your bank account or banking savings and investment money as well. So basically on this prediction right here, this is just your central bank. If it were to stay going in the direction it's going, could be up to, you know, 32%, who knows. But here's a prediction. If you guys want to check this out for yourself, I will put a link in my channel, so you can click on it, and then you can check out any coin you wish. You simply go to the search bar right here. We can type in, let's do QKC, Quark Train, one of my favorite coins. Okay, and then it'll do the same. So yeah, this is a good place to go, coincheckup.com. Check them out. And lastly, before I go, I'm partnering up with ECF. Okay, they're Exceptional Children's Foundation, children's with special needs. So follow me on Instagram, and the link's also going to be in the subscription or in the description below, or in the comment section below. If you guys want to donate to help kids with special needs, which I know there's a lot of people out there that like to help, I will have a Bitcoin address available. You can make a donate there, and 100% proceeds go to Exceptional Children's Foundation. Okay, so find somewhere in your heart to donate a little bit. And I'm also going to be having a raffle as well. So if you want to have a chance to win something cool, like, I don't know, PlayStation, TV, MacBook Pro, cool stuff like that, I will hold raffles for items. It's going to be 100 entries per item. All that will be set up. So let me know if you're interested. Leave a comment below if you're interested in the raffle, so I can get that going as well. And then 100% of the proceeds from the raffle as well will go to the Exceptional Children's Foundation, located out here where I live in the San Fernando Valley, California. Okay, so if you guys liked the video, be kind enough to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below with with anything. All right, it's good seeing you guys again. Until next time, embrace the change. I'm Crypto Millionaire. I'm out.